Hi, it's Tim from EngineFactory.com. I want to show you some of the engines we have in stock here. We have two 350 Chevrolet 440 horsepower engines ready to go. We just finished up these two 302 Ford 350 horsepower engines. Take you out into the assembly room here. We have a 427 Ford 540 horsepower for a customer we're working on. Just finished up this 350 Chevrolet 400 horsepower engine for our customer's 1955 Bel Air. We're going to be installing a TKX transmission with internal hydraulic throwout bearing on there. We'll set that all up and we ship it on an extended skid. We have another 302 Ford 350 horsepower with these real nice black ridge valve covers and matching air cleaner. This engine is fully tested, all set. Over here, the customer's 1970 El Camino 350 Chevrolet 440 horsepower engine. We're going to be assembling this today, getting it all ready for the customer for the test. And over here we have another 427 Ford 540 horsepower engine for a FFR Cobra, all set. So there you have it. There's a couple of our engines that we have ready to go. So when ready to buy, give us a call, 908-323-5847, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We've been in business since 1969. It's a family-owned and operated business. So you can also go on our website at www.enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.